Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn how do I spend my day. Time, together, step by step. Every day you wake up, eat, play, and sleep. Let's learn the times of day and how to read a clock. The day has parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We do different things at each time, in order. On a clock, the shorthand shows the hour. When the longhand points to 12, it's in a clock time. Shorthand on 7 means 7 o'clock. Shorthand on 8 and longhand on 12 means 8 o'clock. Time for school. To recap, the day goes from morning to night, the clock shorthand shows the hour, and the longhand on 12 means a clock. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.